All right, Math 30-1, topic 7.3. Today we're going to look at solving exponential equations. That's from page 358 of your textbooks. Sometimes exponential equations can be solved by expressing the bases in the same units. 4 to the power of 2x equals 8 to the power of x plus 1. What we're going to do is we're going to express both 4 and 8 in base 2. So 4 is the same as 2 squared to the power of 2x, while 8 is 2 cubed to the power of x plus 1. Now what we can do is, since they're both base 2, we must have 2 times 2x equals 3 times x plus 1. The bases are the same, therefore the exponents must be the same. So we have 2 times 2x is 3 times x plus 1. 4x equals 3x plus 3, and so x equals 3. This comes from the property that says c to the power of x equals c to the power of y. Then x has to equal y, except for c when it's equal to -1, 0, or 1. Example 1. We're going to rewrite each expression with a base of 3. 27 written with a base of 3 is 3 times 3 times 3 is 27, or 3 to the power 3. 9 squared, we're going to express that as 3 squared squared, which is 3 to the power 4. Lastly, if we take something more complicated, like 27 to the power of 1/3 times the cubed root of 81 squared, we can express 27 to the power of 1/3 as 3 to the 3rd to the power of 1/3. And the cubed root of 81 to the power of 2 would be 81 to the power of 2/3. And to simplify this, 3 to the power of 3 times 1/3 would be just 3. And 81 is 3 to the power of 4th to 2/3. Or 3 to the power of 4 times 2 is 8/3. And 3 to the power of 1 times 3 to the power of 8/3 is 3 to the power 11/3. Example 2. Let's solve each of these equations. For A, we have 4 to the power of x plus 2 equals 64 to the power of x. Now, 64 can be written as 4 to the power of 3. Now I have a situation where I have x plus 2 must be equal to 3x when we equate the exponents. So simply take away x from both sides, divide both sides by 2, and x equals 1. You can verify that by plugging that back into the original equation. B, 4 to the power of 2x is 8 to the power of 2x minus 3. Again, express both of these with base 2. 2 squared to the power of 2x is 2 to the power of 4x is equal to 2 to the power of 3 to the power of 2x minus 3. That means that if you multiply the exponents to make an equation, you're going to get 4x equals 6x minus 9. Take away 6x from both sides, you're going to get 2x equals -9. And if you divide both sides by -2, you're going to get x equals +9 over +2, or x equals 4.5. Another way of solving these exponential equations could be to use your graphing calculator. If you set y1 to equal the left side of your equation, y2 to equal right side of your equation, and then just find the intersection point, you will find your solution. So your assignment is to do by 364, numbers 1 to 7.